Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. United Democratic Party candidate Eugene Sin Lingdor emerges victorious in by-election to Mauplang Assembly constituency. Meghalaya Congress takes stock of an unsuccessful by-election to 3 assembly constituencies. Catholic faithful of Shillong Archdiocese, Jowai and Riboy observes All Souls Day. And residents of Ratnongkra demands closure of wine store between Umlungsai and Lumberhing village. And now the news in detail. Footballer Eugene Sin Lingdor today emerged victorious in the by-election to Mauplang Assembly constituency in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. United Democratic Party candidate Eugene Sin Lingdor hung his boots to follow his father's footsteps, late S.K. Sun, who represented the Mauplang Assembly constituency. Eugene Sin Lingdor defeated his nearest rival Congress candidate Kennedy Kariam by a margin of 4,401 votes. Eugene Sin Lingdor polled votes and his arch-rival Kennedy Cornelius Kariam polled 8,884 votes. The NPP candidates Lamprang Bla got 5,103 votes. The UDP candidate Eugene Sin Lingdor was supported by Hill State People's Democratic Party, a constituent of NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government. The counting of votes and declaration of result was held at Polo Ground in Shillong amidst scorching heat.
Obviously, my priority would be to serve the people at the utmost level I can. 1 year is a very short time. As you know, the past 2 years, even in times of COVID, the years have just passed on very fast. So even this year, this coming year, 2022, is going to go by very fast. So in a year's span, I'm not sure I'll be able to complete as much as I would like to, because we all know the works that he has done and the works that are pending. So in knowing that we are a state that has a lot of climate changes throughout the year, and there are works that depends on climate as well.
The candidate of National People's Party, Mohammad Abdul Saleh, today emerged victorious in the by-election to Rajabala Assembly constituency. Mohammad Abdul Saleh, the candidate of NPP, defeated the Congress candidate Hashina Yasmin Mondal by a margin of 1,926 votes. Saleh polled 11,823 votes and his opponent Hashina Yasmin Mondal polled 9,897 votes. United Democratic Party candidate Asha Heldi Shira, who emerged in the third position, polled 7,247 votes. The BJP candidate Kingstone B. Marak got only 333 votes, followed by an independent candidate Karla R. Sangma, who got 255 votes. The Rajabala Assembly constituency fell vacant following the demise of MLA during the last few months.
If you look at the past history of Rajabala, since the NCP time, we have never won this seat. In the 2013 election, NPP got a mere 450 votes. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And this time, we had crossed 11,000 votes. So I don't term it as a close contest at all. It's a very, very, I should say, great response from the people. It shows the support and the pro-development work that this government is doing. And therefore, it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at all the 3 seats and the results, in all the 3 seats, the MDA candidates have won. It's a clear indication towards the work that the MDA government has been doing.
And the candidate of National People's Party, Pinyat Singh Siem, today emerged victorious in the by-election to the Maurangkaneng Assembly constituency in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. Pinyat Singh Siem defeated his nearest rival and Congress candidate Highlander Khalmarki by a margin of 1,816 votes. The victor Pinyat Singh Siem polled 14,177 votes and Congress candidate polled 12,361 votes. An independent candidate Norbert Marbo received 1,400 votes. Another independent candidate Ersen Marwen got 485 votes and another Arbiangkam Karsono, an independent candidate, got 214 votes. Pinyat Singh Siem is presently holding the coveted post of chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The Maurangkaneng Assembly constituency's seat fell vacant following the demise of MLA David Nongrum in the past few months.
kamtam na du menship senam bawan kini ke pandemik COVID-19 ni kuat ban pej kini bat kum juru kani ke jingjob jengi menta kani kenti kandai baik ke jingkerman namta kitu ki bedok kiba rangli ki juki namta kitu kiba si bedong dan kam shisha ke jingirap nangi ki nomik mat kamtam na government ba hi baro kiba dan haman ki Shillong man ki dong jong kani ka khatlai mo kani constituency kiba lashania bat kibala ai ke jingkershan yengi hakani kenti na kamenta ke jingkelah te ngaso burom hadu kata ye ki ba kila shim ya kani ka rai ke ba si ke bah nam ta jongki bat ngaso ben ong bakani ke jingjok jongi hakani ka singi kanam dei ke jingjok jongi kum candidate lane jong ka party lane jong ka government dei ka jingjok jong ba ka.
Well, viewers, let us take a short break. And now we will continue with the remaining news. The Congress in Meghalaya today held an emergency meeting to take stock of today's by-election result, in which the party was unable to win in any of the 3 assembly constituencies. Speaking to the media, one of the Congress leaders, Amperin Lingdo, alleged the National People's Party and United Democratic Party candidates winning the election due to use of money power.
Jingkat patrit kejungi bankan mau ye nong yalam kejungi kita kelak no shiteng semuanya. Tin rengi yu bakar results kalau. Nida buram ye nong kersian jong kesin kongres kita klaim ki apeng jong kejing pun show jong bisa. Ni bakar bisa kalau day kawai ke belawan berri shibon apa imlang kasalang kejungi. Don ki boong bato hato kani ke result jong kani ke by election apo state ke jongi kan INM ya ke jingwan jinglong jingman jong ke san pertai do atulai ngi ong ye pi ngimla bangin jubat ikata nomor ke result ke lokuli apdeng jong kita ki jing e ki bobun ui ba dang job hi ki candidate jong ki party ki bodor kang sorka te wala kataru ni ai kublai shisha ye ki tuki nong kershan ratba jong ka party congress ki bak klemki ka jing syapan ben na kadaw jong covid hadu mentam mene commercial vehicles ki taxis ki nyo tang ban fly ki terus ni jong tayo ki habya te ta ka odd even kita gidi issues rating teng ngong kwa kung ban chuklat no issues ni ka seng congress ni nyai keren nginyai walam ye kini hakmat upat ba but nginyai kerba ye ki nong nong jong district kam tam jungi ubang yui a political junction ha district jungi ndrai undan ba patyam ye kita ki issues ikane talong ini ban pakhat de dan kam ne em man ye kren issue maka election kung makalong ti iman ka pisahi kalasyu control kat kaban tang pang mga ong Kibot pakaseng kongres kayo pan ni ay kublay gitu pak ke kibodan kata kajing ba klik lang ba mangi kinong yalam jengku banyak keren iki issues hakmat jok kajat menteri ko bang mangi parok ni itu.
Former Meghalaya MLA and sitting member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council PNCM said the Congress should not lose heart of losing the by-election because their candidates lost the election with a small margin despite money power used by people in power.
Hapo borang khatar hajar butang Congress. Hapo orang beragam maximum more than 10,000, 9,000. Every kilometer ka butang Congress. Dia kumung inong mangiram. Haga bukut in half the defensive area. तो मैं क्या बा नहीं बाकी कांग्रेस की मी पंजन में कोई पार्टी हमें की वही पार्टी की जॉइन बनी है मगी बुक बाय की वही पार्टी रन बुक हाँ यूडीपी है को रजरला माइनस आशियाल दिशा रन बुक tinggal ini bah की वही पार्टी की रन बुक बाय नहीं रन बुक बाय में बियान की aspiran kita bagi kita ini sekarang ini nak parti jungi bangkat sendiri parti, tendai kini nomor kesan kita punya. Pada masa itu bah nyimrem akan ini ke election, nyirem haka mo ke electoral bahkan jadi bahkan kami kebut tendai tapi baik bah. Nalor bah gelami KMC Kongres banyak persya ia parti. Nalor bah huge amount la spend nak kita jungi still dengan survive untuk dengan bah. Tengah try nyimrem ada ajar lain. Kami memang very confidence. Tapi hari ini kita mungkin suatu ini. Kerana ini agak power nak benda punya strategi sebab pengampunan, umum berkan nak benda nak bagi make sure bang agak power kan ajar.
The Catholic faithful of Shillong Archdiocese today observed the All Souls Day to commemorate and pray for the souls of the departed faithful and clergy. The Shillong Archdiocese observed the day with concelebrated Holy Mass with Archbishop Victor Lingdo as the main celebrant at the Limekra Catholic Cemetery in Shillong. Unlike in the previous years, the East Khasi Hills District Administration has allowed only 2 persons from each family to attend All Souls Day due to the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic. On this occasion, all Catholic institutions were declared holiday to enable the faithful to attend their religious program.
Padran Shay Langonya pa kajingnya Dagabor kajimi pa dong jisu Magatai ngo yo play Bo play la job tiao ya kajingnya Ngetip saru Hakasi kau Kasi bishar bakadu Kemalaong Haka kospa jong matio sakusan lai kuwe lai punriu Jisu penkan mau yangi Kata sen mapile Highway para barit changa Pile anga Wan nama kata Syamsaban ngaha beding Bun kini kinmen kipara Ina persyang balep hayu blay.
The All Souls Day was also observed by the Catholic faithful at Nongpo and Riboy district. Father Augustine Kutala was the main celebrant at the required mass.
Siyem bakoit baro kaburom ba kajingero junom la junom.
Amen.
The All Souls Day was also observed by the Catholic faithful at Jowai. The parish priest of Jowai, Father Hilarious Lamare, was the main celebrant at the required mass. Large number of the faithful were seen lighting candles and also prayed for the departed souls. The residents of Right Nongkra village, supported by the social organization of Nyotrep Youth Council, today demanded closure of the wine store located between Umringsai and Lumbrhing village under Right Nongkra in Jainta Hills. The owner of the wine store, Cornelius Karhunai, said the wine store was set up after completing all the formalities and submissions of all relevant documents.
Bat kunjuru ti banjenjar gende bilong kumi bat ti pun ku benangrit kumbabaro baro la yaitu dia kata ada yang ini coba yapil setibor ki bedipet la kalong sida district administration la kalong tibo penyak hima ni sodar makaraj ku kunju bakin bahaya kan ikam nomor kali ke kami yak kampin bajuni. But nagaliang gajong ini ladalong hakano kano karukom ru ninong siya dalilay bakani kawan sur kan don hakani gajaka but saisin ngaban nakabentaw do try kawan sur bahwa sisya ni hangne ngilong tibriu tibaduk binapdong in lagi jumlahendre nakadaw jong ejingle jong pi akane kakam kala penlong ni tibriu jong ban ino ko din kam rumah ke jongki kena takadal wat nom ibenduk yengi kinong Shillong hakini dikhan wat nom ibendbik yengi namar batotip balada upai ba ula bitar de nyimnang banong ke e gaban jia hadin.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.